In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template for the HubSpot CMS. This process is straightforward and should take you only about 5 minutes, so let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot's website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to gain access to your HubSpot account. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using the correct account with the proper permissions to create templates. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home. This is your dashboard where all the magic happens. From here, direct your attention to the main navigation area and locate the library option. Clicking on library will take you to the section where all your resources like documents, emails, and other content are stored. In the library, you'll want to find the templates section. It's neatly organized, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating it. Click on templates. This will take you to a comprehensive suite of template options available within HubSpot. It's essential to understand that the templates area is where you manage all your template related tasks, making it a vital section for customizing your HubSpot experience. Now, with the templates section open, you should see an option to create a new template. Look for the button titled New Template. Click on it to start crafting your new design. At this point, HubSpot gives you the flexibility to create a template based on different preset options. However, if you're aiming for a design tailored to your specific needs, you'll want to start from scratch. Once you click on New Template, you'll be presented with another set of options. Here, choose from scratch to begin building a completely new template from the ground up. Starting from scratch gives you the most control over how your template is structured, which can be particularly advantageous if you have a specific layout or style in mind. And that's it. You've navigated through the process of reaching the template creation page in HubSpot CMS. From here, you can let your creativity take the lead and design a template that suits your business needs. Whether you're creating a landing page, an email layout, or any other kind of template, HubSpot provides a robust set of tools to bring your vision to life. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Please feel free to like and share this video if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy template crafting.